Morning class and parents. Students, if you're watching this, your parents might want to help you get online today for our meeting, and I made a little movie to help you do that. You're going to want to go to the Google page right here. Make sure you're on Google, not Internet Explorer or Firefox. You're going to want to go to this little dot right here. Yours is probably bigger than mine. When you open up, you're going to want to make sure that you're signed in. So sometimes parents are signed in because more than one person uses a computer. I'm signed in right now, but if I wasn't, I could right click on my little face right here, and up pops different people. My son, my personal account, my college account, and you would want to change to the account that has you. If it doesn't have you on it, you'll scroll to the bottom and click Add Another Account. So when you do that, and you've got everybody signed on, then you come back and your initials should be up here. You're going to click on the waffle again. Not the waffle, excuse me. Last time you clicked on your face. This time you click on what we call the waffle, these 9 dots right here. And that will open up this. And you're just going to go to either Google Meet. Some of you might have Google Hangout, but they're the same thing in Google. We're going to click on Google Meet, and then you can click Join or Start a Meeting. And then when you do that, this will pop up, and you can put in our meeting name or our meeting code to start our meeting. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or to text me so I can call you back. I'll see you soon.